Rahim, distinguished guests, my fellow Pakistanis, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is my profound honor to stand before you today as we gather to celebrate Pakistan's Independence Day. This day, 14th of August, is deeply cherished by all of us as we remember the sacrifices, struggles, and dreams that led to the creation of our beloved homeland, Pakistan. 77 years ago, under the visionary and charismatic leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and countless other heroes, Pakistan emerged as a sovereign state and a beacon of hope for millions of Muslims in the subcontinent. It was a dream realized, a nation born from the ideals of freedom, justice, and equality. As we commemorate this historic day, we are reminded not only of our rich heritage, but also of immense responsibility we carry as Pakistanis. Our journey as a nation has been marked by challenges, yet with resilience and determination. We have always risen above them. Ladies and gentlemen, today I take great pride in congratulating all of you on the historic achievement of Arshad Nadeem. His victory in securing Pakistan's first Olympic gold medal in 32 years brought immense pride to our nation. Arshad Nadeem has shown the world the true spirit of determination and excellence, and the entire nation celebrates his triumph. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take this opportunity to recognize the invaluable contribution of Pakistani diaspora in Canada. Our community here has played a vital role in strengthening the bond between Pakistan and Canada. Your dedication, hard work, and commitment to both countries have served as a bridge, fostering greater understanding and cooperation. Whether through science, business, or community service, the Pakistani diaspora in Canada has made significant strides in showcasing the positive image of Pakistan. Your efforts have not only enhanced the bilateral relation between the two nations, but have also made us proud as a global community. Distinguished guests, we are thankful to Dr. Nadia Oves from Just Dental Care, whose support and cooperation have been instrumental in organizing today's celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate our Independence Day, let us also reflect on the values upon which our nation was built: faith, unity, and discipline. Let us renew our commitment to these principles, ensuring that we continue to work towards a prosperous and peaceful Pakistan. Our independence reminds us that the strength of a nation lies in its people. It is the collective effort of every Pakistani, both at home and abroad, that will shape the future of our country. Together we can overcome any challenge and achieve the dream envisioned by our forefathers. On this occasion, let us not forget our Kashmiri brothers and sisters in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, who are struggling for their right to self-determination under extremely adverse circumstances marked by illegal Indian occupation and unspeakable repression. Pakistan will continue to extend its full support to the Kashmiris in their just cause. The Kashmiris are looking to the international community to fulfill the promises made to them. In conclusion, let us rejoice in the freedom we cherish today. Remember the sacrifices of those who came before us and pledge to contribute to the progress and prosperity of Pakistan. May Allah bless our homeland and guide us on the path of unity, peace, and success. Pakistan Zindabad.